Hey, how are you doing? Mr. Davenport, I'm Charles Marine. Thanks for connecting with me on Alignable. So, like I was saying, I was doing some research in about the auto detailing industry here in Philly, and mainly because I had built a website for someone. My buddy was moving here. He does it in Worcester, Massachusetts, but he changed his mind. He's not moving anymore. But I wanted just to show you a little bit of research I did, and maybe this will help you. I hope this will help you. I know you have a website. I'm looking at it, which is good, and I want to show you ways, how you can get more and more customers, and I want to show you that they're available and there's possible ways to get them. This is without advertising and without paying for leads, paying, like people use Angie's List, etc. or Home Advisor. Well, not Home Advisor for your business, but there are other ways to pay for leads. However, if you work on your website, you can actually get a lot of organic traffic. So let's say someone is looking for you for what you do for your business and they don't know your name. So the typical thing to do is to type in Google car detailing in Philadelphia, because someone's looking for that. And then you'll see the searches. Usually you have Google ads. You can see there's a mobile guy here, mobile auto detailer. I'm sure that's a competition, but he's paying for ads. So every time you click, he's gonna pay. If I click right now, he's gonna be charged. So it's always hit or miss. It's expensive. However, you can get quick leads because you're on the front page, and that's the main thing. Being on the front page of Google, because 90% of people search for local businesses like car detailing on Google. 70% of those do not leave the first page. And I'll show you how much traffic people get from these people just going to their website. However, there's a few things I think that you should improve on your website, which I'm going to get into. All right, so searching for this, I have a tool called Ahrefs. It's an expensive tool, but it's also popular, and it helps me research what people are looking for, research websites, etc. And when you put in car detailing Philadelphia, there are like 700 people who search for that every month. The one I put in was Auto Detailing Philadelphia. No, that's not what I put in. Auto Detailing Philadelphia, 150 people. This is the one I put in, Car Detailing in Philadelphia. 800 people searching for that every month. There's another one I looked up. If I don't know if you do car washes, but Car Wash Philadelphia, there's 1,000 people who search for that every month. This is the one I had up before, Car Detailing Philadelphia, and there's a difference. 700 search for this, and the difference, Car Detailing in Philadelphia, that's a difference. 800 people search for this. So you can see there's a lot of traffic. And then the good thing about this tool, it can tell me which websites that traffic goes to. Park and Polish, Ritz Car Wash. So a lot of these are establishments. I know like Ritz Car Wash is in Philly. I think Park and Polish is in Center City maybe. I think these guys, Bright Shine Got Wax. I think they are mobile. Here. Mr. Royal Touch Mobile Detailing. That's one of your competitors. They're getting 8 people because they're on their number 14, which is like the third page of Google. So you can see the guys who are the first page of Google get the most traffic. And now let's look at every single keyword. So there are different keywords and there's different traffic for different searches. Here we go again. Car detailing Philadelphia. CD88. This guy, again, mobile detailing. He's getting traffic. So I'm not sure how many people you get right now from your website, but there are possible ways, and I'll show you how, that you can get more and more traffic. So just to take a look at your website. I'm sorry, this might take maybe 5 more minutes, but let's go. So the 3 things which you can do to improve your website are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, with content, Google likes to see like about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your front page. And then within that text, you put in those keywords, those phrases that people are searching for. So you have you have maybe, I don't know, 100 or something words. I would increase that a lot if possible. And then also, authoritative meaning it shows your services, what locations you service, who you are, etc. Experience and etc. Your other pages should have also those keywords embedded, like put into the sentences, the text that you have. So that's and also your pictures. Pictures, you should save them with those keywords. So for example, I can see this picture is saved as side 2. You should save it as something like auto detailing Philadelphia. So Google knows to put you in front of those searches. Second thing I want to talk about is, let's go back to this place, the search, is this part of the search. Below the ads is what's known as the map pack. Now with the map pack, the way to rank high over here, like the way these guys got here, has to do with citations. Citations is anywhere on the internet on directories that your name, address, and phone number are stored. So, for example, in Yelp, LinkedIn, Dex News, Better Business Bureau, etc. The more citations you're in, the higher you'll rank here. And there are tools out there, just like my Ahrefs, the other tools, which I use one called Whitespark. It tells me how many citations are in these that your competitors have. And the thing is, you can just go into those citations, make sure you appear there. But not only that, double or triple the number of citations. I usually put like 80, so that I'm sure, because on average people have 50 or less. But for that, you will stay on top of this map pack. And then how do you stay this? The third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. That has to be, how do you come up on this section here, the organic listings. Now with that is backlinks. Backlinks is when another site links to your site. So imagine there's a forum in Philadelphia, there's a big auto show in Philadelphia, they have a forum and then they have your link there. That's a good backlink. Not all backlinks are the same, because now if a McDonald's in Maryland has linked to you, Google sees that and says that that's not a good backlink. So it's important. The name of the game is to get good backlinks. Now let me go back to the search, to my tool, and I can take your competitor, like this guy, Car Detailing Philadelphia. Look at his backlinks. He only has 4 backlinks. Actually, let's look at his whole site. This guy only has 4 backlinks, and then these are the keywords that Google is recognizing him for, 31 of them. So let me go with the backlinks first. It's easy just to go inside here, find out which backlinks he has, make sure you have the same backlinks, and even double or triple the number of backlinks. Let's go back and look at his keywords, because these are the words Google recognizes from his website, and that's why he's getting traffic going to them. So it says, please wait. Okay, there we go. See, Car Detailing in Philadelphia. He's 9th position, and he gets 21 of those people, of the 700 people. Car Detailing in Philadelphia, 800 people look for it. He gets 6 of them because he's in the 15th position. 8 just shows how much he's gone up by. So 15 people. So imagine, 6 people, because he's in the 15th position, which is almost on the 3rd page of Google. So I'm just saying, there's possibilities if you work on those 3 things, backlinks, citations, and content, to start getting more traffic than this guy, because Google will start to recognize you because of those 3 things. And I'm pretty sure that you can benefit from having a lot of more people coming to your website. Imagine what that would do, having maybe 50 or more coming to your website. 20 of them will actually call you. I'm sure that can really help your business. Remember I had said I'd made a website for another guy. I just want to show you what I had made. I can do these things for you if you'd like. If not, no harm, no foul. You can just take these tips, use them, give them to your website or SEO person. That's cool. So I just want to show you the sample of the website I made for the guy who's coming. He was going to call his company Auto Detailing Philadelphia, and that's why I have it up here. But definitely I need to increase. I was going to increase a lot more of this as soon as he gave me more details about his business, but I was going to bring the text up to about 1,000, 1,200. And then the back pages, they show all the services that they provide. You can see I tried to make a modern looking website, excuse me. Mobile detailing, because it was a shop. He was going to buy a shop actually, but that fell through. There's a page here for a quick estimate in case you want to get a quote. Our team, you show who you are. These are fake pictures for right now. And then a gallery, to show off your work, your good work. Kind of modern looking, nice, showing everything and blah blah blah. We can have actual real pictures here if you'd like. So, if you're interested in this, because it's already built, definitely give me a call or email me if you're interested in this website. But what I really want to emphasize is it's not just the website, it's also the work you do to the website. So I know you already have one. I would definitely increase. Oh, you do have galleries. Yeah, good. Real pictures. That's awesome. Testimonials, which is also a page we can put in there. However, there's no. Oh, I guess these people are putting testimonials in. There is a way to have this automatically grab your testimonials from Google, your Google reviews, and put them here on your website so people can actually see. That's something to put in your front page actually. Anyway, this is the short video. I'm sorry it's taken a little bit longer. I wanted it to be 10 minutes. I hope you've watched all the way to the end. If you're interested, please let me know. This turnaround, if you're interested in the website alone, this turnaround can be in 3 days, because it's almost completely built. However, if you want to work on, all the backlinks, the citations, etc., I can help out with that as well. Thanks a lot, man. I hope this has helped you, and have a great day.